Black & Decker mouse. I need to do some work with it, and my bottom, the foam and the velcro is gone. I could buy a replacement for about $15 if I'm lucky to find it. I have the wrong mouse pad. I know it's a little bit smaller than this, but I got a whole package of this and I bought the wrong size. But I have a piece of Velcro. I have a whole lot of Velcro. And this is the soft side. This is the rough side. And that's what happens when you use Velcro. It's not adhesive Velcro. So I take a whole bunch of Velcro, do my best to flatten it out, and I use Gorilla Glue. And Gorilla Glue will seep through Velcro. As you can see, I lay a piece going across so I could peel it off. It should take a couple of hours to dry, right? So I take this off and I do the same thing to the top. And now what I am going to do, I lay glue, I lay it down on the table with a piece of cardboard, let it dry. Then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to etch around and cut off the Velcro. I hope you can see, it's low light. And you can see Gorilla Glue foams up, but it still allows you to cut away. So as I cut everything away, and if I want to make this really secured, I'll lay down another layer of glue. Don't have to be perfect. Some people like to be perfect, they're OCD, but here you go. So I got my new pad. The white foam could be peeled off. I take my sandpaper. Now I'm able to sand away. And I could turn it on and use it. When I need to replace it, there you go. I love these things. They're meant to do that. So I don't have to go buy new pads yet. I could simply just put it on there and I could sand away. So you want to make sure this lies on there perfectly, like so. And there you go. I hope this little tidbit has helped you out. If you feel that this is sticking out too much, it's in your way, you can take a scissors and you can cut it down to size. There you have a very nice fix to something that I just did not think about using Velcro.